Machine shop lab. So this is a lathe machine. This is also called as one of the machine tool called as a lathe machine. This machine is used to perform different operations such as turning, drilling, countersinking, threading and nulling such operations. So the lathe machine has different parts. So we will explain about the different parts of lathe machine. Now first, so this is a headstock. This whole part is a headstock. So headstock consists of three-jaw chuck, a chuck also called as three-jaw chuck. This is it's a three-jaw chuck. So we have three-jaw chuck. Also we have four-jaw chuck, that is different. So three-jaw chuck is basically used for cylindrical objects or cylindrical specimens. Next, so this is a carriage. The whole system, the whole part is called as a carriage. Then the third, this is called as the tailstock. So tailstock basically holds the job from other end. It is used to support the job. Also it is used to drill countersink boring holes in the specimen. Next, so this is a guide rail. This is a guideway, is a guide rail. So where the carriage and the tailstock slides. So this is the lead screw which is used to operate the carriage. Also it is used to perform the threading operations. Then this is the bed of the lathe. This is the bed of the lathe. And lastly, and these are the apron hand wheel, which is used to slide the carriage to and fro, back and forth. So this is the cross slide wheel of the lathe machine. So this cross slide gives motion to the tool post. So this is a tool post. So this is the tool post where the cutting tool is held, which operates the cutting operations. So it can be swiveled based on the operation. It can be turned. Then this is the compound rest and the compound rest wheel, which gives a slight movements to the cutting tool. Then based on this, now comes, so this these are the speed operating levers. So these are different spindle speed, the chart of different spindle speed, which can be set according to the levers A, B, J, K, L, M. So depending on the lever position, we can set the given RPMs for different operations. Then, so these are the thread cutting operations. So these wheels are generally used for thread cutting operations. So this lathe machines runs through this gear. These gears are used to operate the lead screw. Also, they are used to operate the spindle. The power is given from a motor, usually 1 HP motor. So this was about the different parts of lathe machine. Now we will see the different accessories used for lathe machine.